Okay, yeah, guys, if you got your computer open, if you could close that right now. Subin, that includes you too. So, Vinyasa, please, thank you. So, guys, what I want to do, right? Everybody has turned in a thesis statement at this point, and I've got these little strips of paper here, and I've got also, I'm gonna put out some tape. Got one roll of tape here. You won't need a lot of tape, so please take a small piece of tape. What I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to pass out a little strip of paper to you, and what you're going to do is write your thesis statement on here, okay? So you'll write your thesis statement on this piece of paper. Yes, David?
There's a word I don't really know how to spell. Can I?
Yeah, if you need to look up how to spell it, that's fine. Or just do your best. Honestly, at this point, do your best, but if you want to look it up, that's cool too.
What if we don't fully remember our thesis statement?
Yes, you can. I just wanted you to close your computers while I give instructions. But once I pass these out, feel free to open your computers and look at your thesis statement and write it down on here. Okay, but not yet. Okay, because there's a part 2 to this. Okay, so you'll get your little strip of paper. Right at that point, you'll open up your computers. You'll write your thesis statement down. You'll come up here. I'll call up one table at a time. And you'll get a little piece of tape here. And then I want you to tape your thesis statement somewhere up here on the board, okay? So tape your thesis statement somewhere on the board. Don't write your name on it, okay? Subin, close your computer for me, please. Thank you. Okay? Don't write your name on it. You don't need to write your name on it. We don't care whose it is at this point. Okay? Write your thesis statement. Get a piece of tape. Tape it on the board, okay? Once we've got all 15 or whatever thesis statements taped up on the board, what you'll do then is you'll come up and you'll grab one that's not yours. Okay, come up and grab one that's not yours, at which point I'll put up a... You okay? All right. At which point I'll put up a couple questions that I want you to focus on. Okay? I'll put up a couple questions on the board that I want you to think about and to answer while you're reading that thesis statement. And what you'll do is you'll leave just a couple notes of feedback on the back of the piece of paper, right? So the thesis statement will be written on this side. You'll write some notes on the opposite side. Okay, it'll be simple things like, is it specific? Are there 3 reasons? Is the author, going to support their claims clearly? Okay, real simple stuff that you'll have to focus on based on this thesis statement on the front side. Okay? So, who can raise your hand and tell me what's the very first thing that you'll do once I pass out this piece of paper? David, go ahead.
Write your thesis statement.
Excellent. You'll write your thesis statement. Okay? After you write your thesis statement, what happens next, Jacob? Okay, you'll come up. I'll call one table at a time. You'll get a small piece of tape. Please don't use all of my tape. And you'll stick it on the board. Excellent. And the third thing that you'll do once we've got all 15 or so thesis statements up on the board, Hannah, what do we do?
You go off the board by table thingy and you take a thesis statement that is not yours.
Excellent. You take a thesis statement that is not yours, at which point then you've got your thesis, or you've got a thesis statement back at your table, at your desk. Then what do you do? Somebody raise your hand and tell me what happens next. Sion. Yep, and I'll put those questions specifically up on the board so that you can answer them, or you can refer to them. Okay? Any specific questions about what's about to happen? Cool. Let me pause my video here.